Come test drive the 2022 Outlander Sport. The all-new Outlander Sport features a fuel-efficient engine paired to either a 5-speed manual or a continuously variable transmission and comfortable accommodations for 5. Passengers will be treated to a refined ride in comfortable surroundings with a host of welcome features. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, LED headlights, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel drive. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.